In this video, you'll learn how to effectively utilize Claude AI to streamline your coding workflow, enhancing productivity and skillfully integrating AI into your daily development tasks. Welcome to our channel. Today, we dive into the capabilities of Claude AI, a powerful tool revolutionizing how developers approach coding solutions. With AI tools like Claude, you can dramatically enhance your productivity, integrating intelligence into your daily development workflow. Whether you're debugging or writing new code, Claude offers real-time solutions that streamline and simplify your tasks. Stay tuned as we explore how you can leverage this technology to enhance your coding skills. To get started with Claude, you'll first need to install and set up the tool on your development machine. This process is straightforward and begins with downloading Claude from its official website. Once installed, you'll configure it to fit your specific development environment, ensuring compatibility with your existing tools and systems. The user interface is designed to be intuitive, offering easy access to a range of features through simple commands. By setting up the basic configurations, you can quickly start using Claude for your coding tasks, optimizing it to suit your workflow.
Stack Overflow has long been a go-to resource for developers seeking solutions to coding challenges, but how does Claude stack up? Unlike community-driven answers, Claude provides instant, AI-driven insights tailored to your specific problem. This means faster, more efficient problem-solving without the need to sift through numerous threads. Claude learns from your interactions, continuously improving its recommendations and adapting to your coding style. While Stack Overflow relies on community knowledge, Claude offers a personalized experience, making it an invaluable tool for developers looking to enhance their productivity. One of the standout features of Claude is its ability to offer real-time coding solutions. As you write, Claude can provide instant feedback and code suggestions, helping you debug and optimize your code on the fly. This immediate assistance ensures that you can address issues as they arise, significantly reducing the time spent on troubleshooting. Claude's seamless integration into your workflow means you can maintain your focus on coding, with the AI acting as a real-time assistant, enhancing your coding efficiency and effectiveness.
Integrating Claude with your integrated development environment, IDE, can significantly enhance your coding experience. Claude is compatible with a range of popular IDEs, allowing you to extend your IDE's functionality with AI-driven insights. This integration streamlines your workflow, enabling real-time collaboration and feedback directly within your coding environment. With Claude, you can customize your IDE settings to better suit your development needs, ensuring that you have the tools and insights you need at your fingertips. This integration not only improves your productivity but also enhances the overall user experience.
To get the most out of Claude, it's important to master the art of prompt engineering. Crafting precise prompts is key to receiving the most accurate and useful responses from Claude. Understanding the limitations of AI and leveraging Claude's strengths will help you tailor your prompts effectively. It's an iterative process, where refining your prompts can lead to better results and more efficient problem solving. We'll share examples of effective prompts that demonstrate how to interact with Claude to maximize its potential, ensuring you receive the best possible assistance.
Even with advanced AI tools like Claude, developers may encounter issues that require troubleshooting. Identifying common challenges is the first step in resolving them. Whether it's integration issues or debugging AI responses, understanding these challenges will help you find quick solutions. Optimizing your system performance and settings can also prevent future issues. Additionally, engaging with the Claude community can provide valuable insights and support, helping you overcome any hurdles you encounter along the way.
Maximizing productivity with Claude involves more than just using the tool, it's about strategically leveraging its features to boost your coding efficiency. Implementing time management strategies can help you balance AI assistance with manual coding tasks, ensuring you're using Claude's capabilities to their fullest potential. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to staying ahead in the ever-evolving tech landscape. By embracing Claude's features, you can enhance your coding workflow, streamline tasks, and ultimately increase your productivity.
Claude isn't just a tool for solving immediate coding problems, it's also a powerful resource for expanding your coding skills. By exploring its advanced features, you can learn new techniques and enhance your problem-solving abilities. Staying updated with the latest trends and developments in AI and coding will ensure you continue to grow and build a robust skill set. Claude offers a unique opportunity to learn and adapt, making it an invaluable tool for developers looking to advance their careers.
Thank you for watching our in-depth exploration of Claude AI and its applications in coding. We've highlighted the many benefits of integrating Claude into your development workflow, from real-time solutions to skill expansion. If you found this video helpful, please share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on AI and coding, and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Your feedback is invaluable, helping us create content that matters to you.